FITSP Manager Next Generation Questions newest 2026-2027 actual exam with complete questions and correct detailed answer. Question 1. PG1. FITSP Manager Next Generation Questions newest 2026-2027 actual exam with complete questions and correct detailed answers, verified answers, already graded A+. All of the following are examples of causation factors that contribute to poor security control implementation and effectiveness, except training, lack of appropriate training for the personnel installing, administering, maintaining, or using the systems. Training, lack of appropriate training for the personnel installing, administering, maintaining, or using the systems. Question 2. What are the data encryption format and digital certificate standard used by S/MIME, PKCS number 7 and X.509? PKCS number 7 and X.509. Question 3. IDPS use this type of detection, which compares definitions of activity considered normal against observed events to identify significant deviations. The IDPS creates profiles that represent the normal behavior of such things as users, hosts, network connections, or applications. The profiles are developed by monitoring the characteristics of typical activity over a period of time. Anomaly-based detection. Anomaly-based detection. Question 4. This AES algorithm may be used with the 3 different key lengths, and therefore these different flavors may be referred to all of the following, except AES 384. AES 384. Question 5. A hard drive pulled from a classified information system will be recycled and reused within the organization. What is the recommended course of media sanitization? Purge. Purge. Question 6. PG2. Which FIPS 140-2 encryption level enables environmental protections? Level 4. Level 4. Question 7. What is the assert incident category name and reporting timeframe for a Cat 3 incident? Malicious code/daily. Malicious code/daily. Question 8. What kind of diagnostic activities, indicated by the security control identifier MA4, are those activities conducted by individuals communicating through a network, either an external network, example the Internet, or an internal network? Non-local maintenance. Non-local maintenance. Question 9. All of the following are part of the incident handling process, except initiation. Initiation. Question 10. What would be the appropriate backup strategy and alternate site combination for a system with a FIPS 199 availability impact of moderate VLAN/cold? VLAN/cold. Question 11. Blocking outside traffic that claims to be from within the organization requires the application of which security control? AC4. Information flow enforcement. AC4. Information flow enforcement. Question 12. All of the following are considered remote access, except VPN. VPN. Question 13. PG3. What VPN model is most often used to allow hosts on unsecured networks, such as traveling employees and telecommuters, to gain access to internal organizational services, such as the organization's mail and web servers? Host to gateway. Host to gateway. Question 14. What is the protocol used by IPsec that negotiates connection settings, authenticates endpoints to each other, defines the security parameters of ISEC protected connections, negotiates secret keys and manages, updates, and deletes ISEC-protected communication channels. IC. IC. Question 15. All of the following encryption algorithms are approved for use by federal agencies, except RSA. RSA. Question 16. Bluetooth devices in this mode are promiscuous and do not employ any mechanisms to prevent other Bluetooth-enabled devices from establishing connections, thus it is non-secure. Security. Mode 1. Security. Mode 1. Question 17. In Bluetooth Security Mode 3, the link level enforced security mode, which of the following statements is true? It mandates authentication and encryption for all connections to and from the device. It mandates authentication and encryption for all connections to and from the device.